Hello friends, welcome to a new interesting do-it-yourself craft video. Let us start with some clay works. I have taken white colored clay and I have spread it on a blue paper, and then I have taken black, red and some other colors. Now who is this? Penguins. These penguins are celebrating Christmas in the Arctic Pole. Now let us go to our next item. Here we have taken a rectangular strip of brown paper and I have taken some green colored paper which is in circles. Then from that I have made trees. Now again I have taken a rectangular sheet of paper which is in green color. Then I have inserted that onto a brown basket like thing, and now it looks like a cactus. So when we take that green paper, we should mark some dots or dashes using black colored pen. Now you can also attach some red colored flowers onto it. So our cactus, which is belonging to desert, is ready. You can make a small desert plant in your house. Let us make some other work. I have taken earbuds here. Then I have constructed a house using that earbuds and some papers. Then using clay I have built flowers, and these flowers are attached such that it looks like a flying balloon. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.